In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix disapproved products in Google Merchant Center next, a crucial step to ensure your products are visible to potential customers. So, let's get started right away. First things first, open up your web browser and go to www.google.com/retail. Here, you will need to sign into your Merchant Center. Just click on the Sign In button and select the Sign Into Merchant Center option. Once you're in, the first task is to identify the issue that's causing your products to be disapproved. This may sound straightforward, but it's a key step in resolving any issues efficiently. To do this, head over to the Products section of your account and navigate to the Needs Attention tab. This is where you'll find a detailed list of all the products currently facing issues. Each disapproved product will have an error message that spells out the specific problem. This information is invaluable because it tells you exactly what needs fixing. Now, on to correcting the product data. You need to address the specific issues identified. Let's start with GTIN or MPN. Ensure that each product has a valid global trade item number or manufacturer part number. It's important that this data is accurate because it enables Google to authenticate your product information. Next, check for any condition mismatches. You should update the condition attribute in your feed to reflect the actual condition of the product on your website. Whether it's new, refurbished, or used, consistency here helps maintain trust with potential buyers. If there are any policy violations, you'll need to modify or remove products that don't adhere to Google's policies. Policies can be stringent, but they are in place to ensure a level playing field for all merchants and to maintain quality standards. Another common issue might be image quality problems. For your products to make a strong visual impact, use high quality images. These images should be free from watermarks or any kind of promotional text, as such elements can distract from the product itself and cause Google to disapprove the listing. Once you've tackled all of these, it's time to resubmit the product data. After making sure that all the necessary corrections are in place, you'll need to upload the updated feed manually. This action signals Google to reassess your corrected data. There you have it, a concise yet comprehensive guide on resolving disapproved product issues in Google Merchant Center next. By following these steps, you'll be back on track to presenting your products to the world, ensuring they meet the necessary criteria for approval. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide useful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful videos.